Impec Gear Tabletop Power Grommet with power outlet and USB port. Get your power outlet right on your working desk or bedside table with the handy Impec Gear round desktop power grommet. Without the hassle to find a spot to charge all your gadgets, this handy power grommet is perfect for office, kitchen, living room, bedroom, conference tables, and workbenches. Few power plugs which you can get here at Impec Gear. Impec Gear Power Plug in Desk Power Center Tabletop Grommet Furniture Power Data Center /2 Cat6/1 HDMI/2 USB/2 AC Power /1 USB Pass Thru, black/silver inlay. Characteristic: this power converts any desk, table or counter into a ready-to-access power center. When Plug Netbox is not in operation mode, all the outlets can be hidden by rotating to another side. This action can prevent water dipping and other microsubstance to drop in the outlets. Moreover, outlook of Power Netbox is more elegant when not in operation mode. Function: great for conference room, meeting room, school, library, Starbucks, coffee tea house, labs, shipping department etc. Plug Netbox offers outlets for accessibility to 2 electric power, 2 Cat6 internet port, 2 USB charging and also other data and IC connectors HDMI. Please note, HMDI only support TV Samsung or LG 6 series under, other newer TV technologies may not support. Better and cheaper than competitor automatic rotate one because once rotate button is broken, the whole thing worthless. Stick with a multifunction manual rotating Power Netbox. Easy to install, just put in the standard table hole and screw 4 sides and it's done. HMDI works great as pass-through. We sold thousands and tested each one. If there's a defect feel free to contact us and we'll resolve it. Converts any desk, table or counter into a ready-to-access power center. UL approved listed. To get the more latest updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can never miss any update from us.